Today's video is not about Syrian refugees.
No, it's not.
It's not about my personal life.
No, it's not.
It's actually about you.
Yes, it is.
Me?
Me? Yes, you can be a volunteer anywhere in the world. If you're a clueless student, come distribute the food, chop vegetables, or play with kids. If you're a photographer, come and take pictures. If you're a filmmaker, you can come and make videos about the refugees. If you speak a language that's not dead, come on leries. If you have just retired, you can come help with carpentry.
And I'm a retired teacher.
Yes, you can be anything. The job of a volunteer is not always sexy or fun.
Hey, we have a problem here. Oh.
Because some days you might have to clean the goddamn toilet. But if you give 1% of your life serving others, it might just be the most transformative 1% of your life. That's 1 minute.
I hope to see you tomorrow.
Yes!